Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell your seed token on KuCoin. Let's go over to KuCoin. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Over to KuCoin. Make sure your KuCoin account is verified, and here is the home page. Make sure you are at the home page. You're going to see trade at the downside over here. Look at it over there. Let me go over to trade, and they say enter iPhone passcode for KuCoin. Let me put in my passcode. Here is where you can buy and sell, but you are going over to sell. You're going to see BTC/USDT. Let's go over there, and here they have many crypto. They have USDT, Tone, and many others. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the search area and search seed. Okay, I'm searching seed right away. You can see seed there. Let me go over to it, and here you're going to see buy and sell. You have to move that buy over to sell, and you can see it here is over to sell, is showing red. And at this side you're going to see limits, markets, advanced limits, OCO, trading step, and others. You just have to go over to market, and here is notes. You just have to do confirm, is for transaction price of the market, and others. You can do not show again and confirm. And what you have to do next for you to go over to the amounts, yes, you can put the amount which you want. I mean, you can put the amount of coin you want to sell. You can put like the average amount. You can put 1,000, any amount you want, or you go over to the average. Let me go over to the average. You can see it there. This means the average, whether 70%, 50%, 20% of what you want to sell. And when you are done with that, you can go over to sell. Okay, let me just put 20,000 here, and let me just go over to sell seed. So if it is your first time doing this, it's going to say please set a trading password. You're going to set a password. Let me do that right away, and I'm going to send you an email verification to your KuCoin. KuCoin is going to send you an email. You just have to put in the email right there. You're going to see send. You just have to tap send, and they're going to send you email to your KuCoin. And look at it over here. You just have to copy the number and type it over here. I've done that, and go over to confirm, and here they say trading password in 6 digits. Your password have to be in 6 digits or more. You have to put password that you're going to remember, that you'll be able to remember. And you're going to see trading password, and at the downside you're going to see confirm trading password. Okay, let me type in my password right away, and it have to be 6 digits, more than 6 digits. Let me do that, and at the downside there is confirm new password, and let me do that again. You have to put in the password you did on the first one, and when you are done, go over to activate. You can see activate. Let me go over to activate, and it say activated. And let me go over to sell seed right now. Let me go over to sell seed, and you can see it said balance insufficient because I don't have any seeds on my KuCoin. So guys, this is the end of this video. I'm able to show you how to sell your seed token on KuCoin. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.